All right, that's 20 ounces of crushed pineapple into our container of Cool Whip here. I've got 8 ounces into this container of the Cool Whip, and I am just gonna start gently folding these together, incorporating that pineapple into my Cool Whip here. Ooh, smells so good. Now I'm just gonna bring in a larger bowl, and I'm gonna get all of this deliciousness here into my bowl. I don't wanna miss any of this, so I'm using 8 ounces of Cool Whip from the 16-ounce container and 20 ounces of crushed pineapple. Now I've got a 3.4 ounce size of the Jell-O instant pudding, and I am just gonna add this entire container here to my Cool Whip and pineapple, and we're gonna start folding this in. Look, oh gosh, that vanilla smells amazing. We're making a super easy, tropical flavored no-bake dessert today. This vanilla goes perfect with that pineapple. It even kind of makes it that cuter yellow color, like brings out the colors of the pineapple into the Cool Whip. And these flavors just go together perfectly. All right, this is starting to look really good already, but I'm not done yet. I've got one more thing I'm gonna add to this mix here. I've got my Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. I'm gonna add 8 ounces of this whipped cream cheese, this whole container, to our mix. Although you can also just use the regular Philadelphia cream cheese, softened, if you don't have or like to use the whipped. All right, we're gonna start folding this all together. I'm just kind of chopping up that Cool Whip, getting it into smaller pieces so it's gonna be easier to incorporate here. But that whipped goes together pretty darn good if you ask me. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside for 1 second, bring in my whisk, and I'm just gonna make sure this is all really well incorporated by using my whisk here. Oh, look at that. Doesn't this smell amazing, Marty?
It sure does.
And this is the perfect dessert for summer because you don't even have to turn your oven on. It just really gets everything. You know, it's cool, it's light, it's refreshing. All right. Now I'm just bringing in my graham cracker crust. Now, of course, you can make your own graham cracker crust. You know, just break up the grahams yourself. You could use a different kind of cookie. You could use a ginger snap. I just happen to have a graham cracker crust already in my pantry. And that's kind of the fun thing about this recipe, right? You might already have all of these ingredients at home. I know these are kind of staples around our house. The vanilla instant pudding, can of crushed pineapple, totally. A little bit of Cool Whip, little bit of cream cheese. So if you need to whip something up in a hurry, you don't have time to go to the store, but you've got someone dropping by later, it's a little bit unannounced perhaps, this is the perfect little dessert to serve up. You don't have to turn your oven on. You're not making it extra hot in your house during the summer. This is just perfect. So easy, and it smells incredible. Alrighty, I am just gonna pop this into my freezer for about 2 hours, but we're not done yet. Alrighty, while that is chilling in the freezer, I've just got a little baking sheet here, and I've got some of my sweetened flaky coconut. And I'm just gonna put, not too much, but just a bit of this coconut shreds, make sure they're broken up, right here on top of my little baking sheet. You can use unsweetened if you like, but I like the sweetened. And I am just gonna pop these in the oven for a couple of minutes to get them toasted. Alrighty, everyone, we had our tropical pie set in the freezer for about 2 hours. Now, this was the other 8 ounces of Cool Whip that was in my 16-ounce container to begin with. And I just saved this to be a topping right on top. And then I'm using my little platypus, that's what it's called. It looks like a platypus. And it's from this really cute kitchen accessory line called Ototo. And they sent me some really cute stuff. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And this is just adorable. And we are just gonna get this all into an even layer here on top of our tropical pie. How easy was this? Easy as pie, as they say. And now I'm just gonna come in with my toasted coconut. Gosh, this was just in the oven for a few minutes. And you can tell we got a hot spot in our oven because some is more toasted than others. But I am just gonna spread this delicious toasted coconut right on top. Of course, if you don't like toasted coconut, go ahead and leave this off. But I think it's so pretty. I love the texture. And I think this is gonna be delicious. Delicious, everybody. Can't wait. Alrighty, I'm gonna cut myself a slice. Ooh, getting all the way down to the bottom of that crust. Yummy. Making sure I get in on both sides here. Excellent. Okay. Look at that. Our beautiful, easy, no-bake tropical pie. Oh, it smells incredible. I can't wait to get a bite of this and put it to the test, but I think it's gonna be really good. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Light and refreshing, delicious with that crushed pineapple. Y'all, you gotta try it.